Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Connecting your PlayStation 5 to a new ONN TV is a breeze, and we'll walk through it together. First, gather your PS5 console, your ONN TV, and the crucial HDMI cable that came with your PlayStation. Before you do anything, ensure both your PS5 and your ONN TV are powered off completely for safety. This easy guide will help you get everything connected smoothly and quickly. Now, let's connect the physical cables. On the back of your PlayStation 5, you'll find an HDMI OUT port, usually located near the power input. Take one end of your HDMI cable and gently plug it into this port. Then, find an available HDMI input on the back or side of your ONN TV and securely plug the other end of the cable in. Any HDMI port will generally work just fine. With your cables securely connected, it's time to power things up. Go ahead and turn on both your ONN TV and your PlayStation 5. Once the TV is on, use your remote to select the correct HDMI input you connected your PS5 to. For instance, if you used HDMI 1, simply choose HDMI 1. Your PlayStation 5 initial setup screen should then appear on your TV, ready for configuration. For the absolute best picture quality, especially for a PlayStation 5, you'll want to optimize your ONN TV's settings. Look for an option like HDMI Deep Color or Enhanced Format within your TV's picture or input settings menu. Enabling this will unlock features like HDR and higher refresh rates, making your games look vibrant and incredibly smooth. It truly enhances the viewing experience. If for some reason you don't see a picture, don't worry, it's usually an easy fix. Simply double-check all your cable connections, making sure they are firmly seated in both the PlayStation 5 and the TV. Sometimes, trying a different HDMI port on your ONN TV can also resolve the issue quickly. Once everything is confirmed, you're ready to dive into your favorite PlayStation 5 games. Have fun enjoying your new setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.